Very suspicious. All right. 124.25. Okay. First one, markup.
Oh, it's gonna be hard.
Markup is the same thing as tax and tip. What's our first step?
Times the tax and tips.
Okay, first step is to multiply. Okay, quick. Tell me how much are AirPods. 200. Okay. Okay, stop. Shh, listen. Dylan. Let's say 150. I'm going to mark it up by a percent. Give me a pretty good percent.
12. 600.
What did you say, Alex?
12. 25.
All right, we're going to go with 60. No, let's do 70.
85.
With markup, it's a pretty big
Number.
percent. Yes. So what's the first thing I have to do with markup?
Multiply.
Multiply. What do I multiply?
150 times 70.
150 times 0.7.
Okay. That's very good. It is 0.7. What if I don't do 0.7 and just type in 7? Will I get the right answer?
Nope.
Nope. All right, type it into the calculator. You typed it in wrong.
105.
Yeah,
Yeah, 105.
So be careful, because you literally made the mistake
105.
kids do. They type it in wrong, and they get the wrong answer. So everybody type it into your calculator. Do you get the answer I'm going to write down? You guys have to practice, Chris, using the calculator. Andy, using the calculator. Type it in. Hurry up. Did you get 105? Okay, because some kids will get 1,050, and they don't realize they're making a mistake. They think they're okay, and they make mistakes on the test. Okay, what's our second step in markup? Add. What two numbers do I add?
50 plus 105.
What is your total?
255.
So this is called my total, and this is called my profit. Okay, how much money am I going to make when I sell these? 105. What's the total price I'm going to charge Andy for brand new AirPods? 255. Sounds reasonable. Yeah, they're just the old version. I hope you don't mind. All right, commission. You're going to get one question on commission. One question on commission. Question, how many steps for commission?
2.
1.
1. 4.
One step. Very good, Juliana. But what do kids think they have to do at the end? Add. We do not add in commission. Commission is just one step, so give yourself that little note. It's one step. All right, how much did I sell in shoes last month?
500.
More.
70.
Let's go 1,700. I heard a 700 and I heard 1,000. Let's do one. Okay. What small percent do I earn in commission?
2%.
Okay, 2%. I like it. Okay. What's the number one mistake kids do? They don't turn this into a good decimal. So what's 2% as a decimal?
0.02. 0.02, sorry.
Cool. Now what?
You multiply 1,700 times 0.02.
1,700 times point. Okay, this is where you type it into the calculator. You literally do it and see if you typed it in correctly. Does your answer match my answer? You're not going to know until you do it.
$34.
This is my commission amount. Do I have to add it?
No.
Do I have to subtract it? No. Just one step. All right, next is from your do now. Interest. What are the three letters for interest?
PRT.
And what do I do with PRT?
Money.
Oh, what do I add, subtract, multiply, or divide these letters?
Multiply.
Good. And this will give you your interest, right? Just like number one on the do now all this week. Okay, how much money did I borrow from the bank?
700.
700,000.
750.
Well, yeah, 700,000 for a house. That's true.
26,000.
Okay, we'll go 26,000. Let's say I borrow 26,000 to buy
A car.
a car.
A used car.
Okay.
That's not, like, you can't afford a new car for that.
Move your hand.
Okay, what's my rate? What percent rate?
5.
Oh, yeah, no, 12.
Okay, 12. How many years does it? Do I take to
6.
6? I like it.
Only 6 months.
No, years. Years.
Okay.
Okay. So, what do I have to do before I start typing things in?
You gotta change them into decimal.
Them?
The 12%.
12%. What is 12% as a decimal?
0.12.
All right, type them all in. Go slow.
Hey, no
Type it in. Does your answer match my answer? Type it in.
I've got 18. Okay, I'll take my Alex.
Wait, times 6, right?
It's years, so we don't have to convert it to months.
About 44,720.
Okay, how much interest will I pay?
18,720.
Did you get that answer on your calculator? Guys, do it. There's so many times that you guys make little mistakes, and it's because you typed it in wrong. So you type it, doesn't match mine. The decimal should be at the end. Okay, what's our second step? This is step 1. 26,000 plus 18,720 is equal to...
Big number.
Big number.
34,720.
Say that one more time.
34,720.
No.
44,720.
44,720.
It's 'cause I forgot to.
Well, so be careful. Okay. Well, be careful. Do not do things in your head. One way to make silly mistakes that will cost us in our grade. All right. One last thing I have to go over with you, which is percent increase decrease, called percent change. Now, what words do I want to spell when I'm doing percent change? What's the key word to help you put the numbers in the right spot? That's for percent decimal. So percent change.
PRT.
That's interest. Percent change. Percent change. Who's gonna be my favorite student?
New minus old divided by old.
Favorite student?
No divided by O. New.
No, no,
Yeah.
no,
No divided by O.
no.
Oh yeah.
I told you.
New minus old divided by old. Okay, how much was the iPad? How much did it cost?
1,250.
Okay,
750.
okay. Let's
600.
I got a discount, so 750.
okay. Let's do 750.
Thank you, miss.
Okay. What about today?
1,000.
When I was here, it was 250. Now, it's like around like 2,000.
2,000. Okay. I have no idea if the math is going to be nice on this one or not. Okay. So when Dylan was a kid, it cost $750. But today, it costs $2,000.
Yeah.
So the price went up or down? Up. Okay. So let's substitute the numbers. The new price. What number do I write down first?
750.
Minus what?
750 divided by 750.
Be careful. So some kids will make the mistake of writing 2,000 on the bottom. Okay, you have to figure out which one's your old number. That goes on the bottom. All right. Let's say 2,000 minus 750, 1,250 divided by 750. What number, crazy number did you guys get?
1.6.
Okay. Is that going to be my answer?
No.
No. What do I have to do from here?
And 27.
Rounding?
Before rounding.
You put the lot. No, you move the decimal. I got one.
So we got to move the decimal 2 times. And then either put the line or we're going to round. You have to read the directions, but I'll let you in a secret in a second. So 1, 2. So it would be 166.66 line on top. Or if, Juliana, if it tells you to round, then you could round to maybe like 0.7%. It depends, Juliana. You have to read it. And I'll let you in a little secret. There's no rounding on this one. On the test, it's a nice number. It's a very nice number. Okay? let's say, oh my God. So I said this is the second period. I'm going to say it to you. Listen to me right now. I'm going to tell if you didn't listen to me right now because you're going to get it wrong in the test. And if you ask Miss J or I for clarification on this point during the test, we're going to say we don't know. Okay. If your answer for this, it's a number, right? What are we solving for? We're solving for a percent change. So what should our answer include?
Increase.
Percent sign. So let's say our answer is 1%. When you type it into the iPad, what am I looking for?
Percent.
The percent sign. So when you type it in, you're going to type in 1, no space, percent sign.
Is that the answer to the question?
Totally.
Okay,
Totally.
I'll put it.
So 1, no space, percent. If that was your answer. Got it? So whenever you find your answer, like if this was my answer, I would type this in, no space bar, right? Just hit the percent sign. It's towards the bottom. Yes.
Wait, what? I'm confused.
With what?
Like, how does that at when?
I just made up a number. Quick, give me a number.
36,000.
50.
Gia, what'd you say?
5.
So if my answer's 5, but what does your answer have to include?
Percent.
Oh.
Quick, give me another number.
36,000.
2. 6.
13.
2.
Who's using little numbers in the big 25?
Okay.
37.
So, we're good?
Yeah.
So whatever your answer is, percent sign. That's my thing. Whatever your answer is, percent sign. Do you put a space?
No.
I don't know if it's going to mark it wrong if you do. So when I typed in my answer, I put no space. So I'm assuming for you, no space.
Yes, if I put a space, is that on me?
Yeah, because what did I just record?
Oh.
No
so
space.
Yes.
Are you gonna be able to use that number?
So,
No.
well,
25 questions.
here, I'm going to say it in a nice quiet voice. You can use your notes. You cannot, no homework, no classwork. Just what you wrote down in your notes. So if you got good notes, you're good. If you didn't write good notes, that's on you.
Giovanni.
We're going to need missing assignments.